Bono horn testing part 2 with the Yamaha mouthpiece. That was in the case. Check all the notes. Straight away I can tell there's a lot more resistance. This is definitely holding it back. I can play the notes, it just feels like I'm on the verge of losing control, verge of squeaking. Sort of a honky sound. Still works. All the pads are good. It's just the resistance on the mouthpiece. Feels a little bit uncomfortable. The only other thing to check would be the reed. And I haven't heard or played on Junos before. Only Van Doren's and Rico. So that'd be a suggestion. Try a different reed. But the mouthpiece is playable, just seems a little bit resistant, hard to control. Thank you.